The launch of the Supra was among the most awaited events of 2019. The return of the most celebrated sports car from Toyota has generated a lot of excitement globally and among local car enthusiasts. When it was first revealed to the world at the Detroit Motor Show, the excitement grew even more, especially locally. Will Toyota make the resurrected Supra available in the country? And the question most asked, will it be even more exciting in the metal? Yes, was the resounding answer after the sneak peek at the Clark International Speedway during the Vios Racing Festival, and even more yeses when it was formally launched at the Manila Polo Club. Many car enthusiasts loved that the new Supra retained much of what made the old Supra an iconic sports car. A little shorter, a wee bit wider, and just a touch taller at 4,379mm by 1,854mm by 1,294mm than its predecessor. The new Supra maintained the long bonnet, short deck design of iconic sports cars. It also sits low above the pavement with a 115mm minimum ground clearance. Toyota also decided on a 2,470mm wheelbase that is said to help allow a 50-50 front-to-rear weight ratio for better handling at speed. The nose cone look is new. There are creases and air intakes, real and Fox. It's a little curvier, but the placements and proportions, if not the whole design, of the LED headlamps with integrated daytime running lights still recall the headlamps of the old Supra. The same goes for the slim integrated lights at the rear, which comes with unobtrusive spoiler, LED rear fog lamp, backup lamp and high mount stock lamp, dual exhaust tailpipes, and distinctive bumper. The exterior also comes with auto windshield wipers, outdoor mirrors with dimming, color-keyed grip-type door handles, glass-type antennae. The new Supra interior is as sporty as sports cars go, with carbon and silver aluminum trim, and seats upholstered in Alcantara material. The dash layout is best described as driver-centric. The instrument panel comes with an 8.8-inch TFT LCD display that can show speedometer, tachometer, and other vital info. The leather-wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel features paddle shifters and controls for audio, phone, and cruise control. The infotainment system uses 8.8-inch widescreen TFT LCD touchscreen display and comes with USB and Bluetooth connectivity, navigation software, JBL 12-speaker hi-fi surround sound system. Adding to comfort and convenience inside the 5th generation Supra are push-start system, dual-zone air conditioning, accessory outlet in center console. Much of the controls for various functions and displays can be controlled with what Toyota calls the Supra Command, which is basically similar to the BMW iDrive system. The new Supra powertrain stays true to the inline-6 engines that made the old Supra so popular with sports car enthusiasts and racers. The 5th generation Supra is powered by a 2,998cc 6-cylinder inline twin-scroll turbocharged gasoline engine. The engine generates 335 horsepower from 5,000 to 6,500 revolutions per minute and 500 Newton meters of torque from 1,600 to 4,500 RPM. All that power and torque drives the rear wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Supra also comes with a limited slip differential. Stopping power comes from a brake system using front ventilated discs with 4-piston fixed caliper and rear ventilated discs with 1-piston floating caliper. The Supra suspension features double joint type McPherson struts in front and a multi-link system in the rear. It also comes with adaptive variable suspension. The latest generation Supra also features wide rear tires, 275 by 35 R19 tires, wrapped around 10JX 19-inch forged aluminums. In front are 255 by 35 R19 tires, wrapped around 9J by 19-inch forged aluminums. For safety and security, the Supra is equipped with various airbags. The Supra also comes with vehicle stability control, traction control, and anti-lock brake system.